So me, Will and Rolly have just got down here. They're just going to get all their stuff. We've got a few rods out, got to use some blue bait over there. And yeah, hopefully we can get some, maybe put a few soft plastics on, see if we can get some flatty or cockies or even whiting. Yeah. Oh! Rolly's just hooked up to a big cooter, just jumped. Holy shit. Quick, Will.
Look out, I don't want to lose him.
Holy cow, he's fighting good. Holy
We've been trying to catch him all day.
He's been stealing all our bait all day. Just get him up. Ready, go. Yes. Good cooter.
Big cooter.
Oh, he's a good one.
We're gonna keep him for bait. Oh, get my pliers out of my bag, please. We're gonna keep him because we
Will, can you go
crate fishing?
We'll
go get my pliers out of bait, please. It's top pocket of my bag.
I think Will's gonna keep him for crayfish bait.
Yep.
For his dad, but
Quick, Will. And grab the plastic bag too. Grab the plastic bag.
It's a good cooter. Put your hand next to it, Rolly.
I'm gonna put him straight in the bag. Pass him. Just pass him. All right. I'm gonna hold the bag over the top of him. Just lift the bag up. Yep. Right, we're gonna come off. He's been biting us all day, and we just finally got him.
He stole so much of our bait, and now Rolly got him on a big bit of blue bait.
Yep. That's the big cooter there. I reckon we'll get him out in a second.
Oh, look at his teeth. Can you see those teeth? God. He's been ripping off our baits all day. So here's Rolly's cooter.
There's the bit of blue bait.
He just spat out that blue bait.
Wait, when we gut him, I'll show you all the stuff that he's been eating of ours. So he's a bit over 50 centimetres, 52 centimetres. Good fish.
Will's hooked up. We don't know whether it's good or not. It's literally tiny.
Oh, we're going to get the release on the little flathead.
Legal flathead.
Yeah, sure it is.
Yep, illegal.
Straight to the bottom.
Alright, Will's hooked up on something good. Bring him, here, move your rod and
Grab it.
bring him up. No, just slide him up on the bag.
He's fighting good. Is it good cocky? Oh, it's a good flatty.
It's illegal. Oh, not legal.
It just fought really hard.
God, I thought that was huge.
Fighting really well. We'll get the release for you. We're just going to get the release on the second flatty.
Well, just sit him on the concrete for a bit, see if he recovers.
There we go. And he easily swims off.
That's a good release.
Rolly's just hooked up. Oh, it's a cocky. Good cocky. Little buggers, but we're only catching little stuff today.
This is an ultralight rod. 1 to 3 kilo. 4 pound. Always good fun.
Yep. We'll get the release on him in a second. I just hooked up this flatty. Didn't have time to film because it was me, but little baby one, tiny. We're gonna release him with Rolly's little cocky here. And yeah.
Rolly's cocky and Job's flathead. Double release.
And
There goes the cocky. There goes the little flathead. Job just hooked up. What is it?
Flatty.
Little flathead. Get him up, Job.
Right, you got him rolling?
Yep.
We'll get the release in a second.
Yep.
No, we're gonna get the release. He's gone.
You feeling Joe?
Will's on. I think. Rolly's on. I think it's a flathead.
It's not falling like a cocky. Oh, yes it is.
Yeah, it's a flatty. Decent little flatty.
Get him up and we'll get the release. I'm on as well.
Will's on as well. What's Will got? Cocky. Yep, cocky.
Right, nice.
We'll probably get double release if Rolly can get his off quick enough.
So we'll get back to you for the releases.
Oh, we're gonna release Will's cocky and my flatty.
Rolly's flathead.
Or Rolly's flatty, sorry, yeah. Off they go. Will's hooked up. What is it? Probably cocky.
I think it's cocky, yeah.
Yeah, decent cocky actually.
Bigger cockies of the day.
Oh, the first one I caught was probably the biggest. Oh, second one, sorry. He was 24.
Oh, you just spat a bit of
Oh,
blue
wait,
bait
no, he's
at
not
me.
that small.
He just flicked a bit of blue bait at me. Jesus.
The second, measure him, you see if he's...
No, I'm not gonna bother. Just release him. Oh, whoops.
And there he goes. A good fish? Does it feel good, Will? His rod just like absolutely bent. Is it like a big salmon or something?
Probably.
Look at his rod. And that's like a strong rod.
Fighting.
Oh, it's a good flatty. That's the biggest. That could be legal. That could be legal.
That might be legal, that flathead.
Oh, that's a flathead. He was 28 centimetres.
Oh, we'll just show you. See, about 28, maybe just 29.
But we're about to get the release on it for you.
Well, he's a baby fish. He's got smoke.
And he's just a bit stunned, but he's going to swim off. Yeah, off he goes.
Straight there. Flathead.
Will's just hooked up
No,
on
it's fight now.
maybe a flathead.
It's shaked.
Might be alright.
Might be a legal one.
Hopefully it's legal. Oh no, it's not. It's tiny.
I'll get the release.
Alright, we're going to release this flatty. Yeah. Rolly's gutting the fish. Yeah.
Grab the rod. Just pass it. Yeah, pass it back. Pass it. It's
I got it.
We've got to go. We'll tie now. Wind that rod in. Will, no, Joe, I'm right-handed. Wind. Wait, Joe, feel my mother rod. Feel my mother rod.
On the other one?
Yeah, no, feel. I'll just send it to you on that phone. Oh no, Joe,
the rod.
have that tight. No, man, don't worry about
Which
it.
rod am I?
No, you don't need to do anything. This one.
Right.
Wait, I'll land it. It's not a stingray. It doesn't have a spot. Bring it up. It's not big. It's not big. I can't. It's just going. Yeah, just let him tie there. No, should I go up on the beach? No. Yeah. Yes, actually. Rolly, you step around with that rod. I'll get on the beach with you. Yeah, no, Joe. You're actually going to have to wade out a bit, and Will's going to have to pass Dodgy and then run. Actually, that rod doesn't fall in. No, just get on the ground and move it. So it's just Joe, he's like nearly got me in a snag. I need to go round the actual the pontoon, the pylon thing.
We'll catch it right here and then come down on the beach.
I can't, because I need to go round.
Yes. You need to go round. Go round. Do you need me to hold something?
No. It's just here.
Okay, I'm standing up there.
He doesn't have a barb, does he?
No.
Where is he? He doesn't have barb. Will he snap me off though?
I don't know.
He's not hooked, Will.
He's hardly hooked.
Oh,
Don't we just need a net?
we don't have a net. They're hooking with this as well. No, he's not going to spawn, Will. He's not going to, no way.
Don't go too hard.
Oh, yeah, no, you don't want to snap him on.
No. Do you want
never got a
to
way.
get a plastic bag and try and net him in a plastic bag?
Oh, Joe, we need to work out a way.
Yeah, Will. Here, I'll be here.
Will you pass the rod to me?
Oi, and then come around. Now go around.
And then we'll let the bail arm over and throw him around the beach. And then we'll run around.
Hey, I'll get down on the beach.
No, Joe, get on the other side and I'll pass it to you.
Rolly, get on the other side.
No, wait for me. Right, Will. Get on the outside and I'll pass it to you. Alright, pass it. Look, Joe, come over here. Got it. Give it to Joe here. Just gonna
Will, come over here, Joe.
I'm gonna give it to Joe. I'm gonna pass it to you though.
And then come around here and pass it to me.
Open the bail
Now,
arm and throw it to Joe.
Will, now
Open the
chuck
bail
here.
arm.
Come over this
Now,
side.
open the bail arm and throw it to
Now,
Joe.
unlock the bail arm and pass it to me. Ready, Will? Bring him up and unlock the bail arm. Gently. Now unlock the bail arm. Now chuck it in.
Flick the bail arm over.
Can you see him from the gym?
Take your shoes off, Rolly. Take your boots off.
Joe, get out of the water.
What? Yeah, now walk backwards.
No, he's stuck in the water. No, you gotta snap him. Don't snap him. Just let him unstick.
Don't you get stung by him, Rolly?
He doesn't have stingers. It's a skate.
Oh.
He's stuck.
He's not snagged.
No, he's not. They just sucked him to the bottom. I can feel him. Get real.
Will. Go. Let go.
Don't.
Now forward.
He'll snap off if we just walk backwards. Can we see him? We shouldn't have let him stop. No, don't snap it. Let him. He'll have to unstick at some point. Joe's got something on the rod. We don't know.
What is that?
It's another. It's a stingray.
Same one. It's the same one. We can't lose it this time. Oi, quick.
It's another ray.
No,
I'm
it's
filming.
Not the same one. It's smaller.
Yeah, it's a smaller. We hooked up to a bigger one earlier. Now there's a smaller one on.
Oh, Rolly, I'm just gonna lift it. It's tiny.
Yeah, we've got a smaller one.
So we're just going to lift him straight up.
Got him.
Yep. So we hooked up to a huge one earlier. We pretty much got him in. Now this is the second one today.
What are they? Are they
But we got him
mites?
in.
He's got little mites.
That's cool. We'll get back to you. Oh, we're going to get a video of the release on the skate. The second one today. We're just going to chuck him straight in.
I thought he was like the size of the last one.
And he's just going to go straight.
He's
He's just going to go straight down to the bottom. And there he goes.
Right. We just hooked up this flatty. I reckon he's legal. We didn't have time to get it to film it, but we're going to measure him. Man, this way. Look at the baby squid he's ate. Oh, he just ate that little baby squid. He just spat it up. He's eaten that, and he's just spat it up. We were using blue bait, and somehow he managed to eat that squid. You film, I'll get him on there. But yeah, look at that baby little squid. It's like that on my finger. He's just eaten it. Yeah, we'll try to get the measure for you. If he's legal, I reckon we'll keep him. Yeah, for sure. And Rolly's left now, and it's been very quiet since Rolly left. Yep, he's legal, 35.
He's 35 centimetres.
He's easy legal. We're going to keep him.
Gonna keep him. Yeah, hopefully we can get some more fish by the end of it. We're probably going to end up leaving soon anyway, so
Yeah.
yeah, I'll get back to you if we get any more.